Need to sell your current home to be able to afford the next one without running the risk of being homeless? This is exactly what you have to do. The first thing you have to do is contact a real estate expert in your market so they can guide you through the process. If you are in the Miami market, I'll be more than happy to help you with the process. What we do for our clients is a couple of things to protect them. The first thing is ask for a post-occupancy agreement. It could be at a cost of the rental rates in your market, or it could be for free. That all depends on the market conditions of where your home is located. A post-occupancy agreement essentially means that you will close on the sale of your home, you will get paid, and you will stay at the property for an extended period of time, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, whatever the agreement with the buyer is. That way you have plenty of time to go find the next one, again, without being homeless in the process. Number two is putting a contingency on the sale of your home so the buyer knows that if you cannot find a next property to purchase and get under contract with, then you will not execute the sale of your home. In a low inventory market like this contingency can be very helpful so you, again, don't end up being homeless while selling your home. Any other questions or concerns, do not hesitate to reach out. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.